Hi everyone, how are you all doing? So for those of you that joined me last year on the 6-day live stream dissection, just to let you know, I'm going to be going back and doing it all again. There was so much that we covered. It was such an incredible adventure, and the learning curve was incredibly steep. But there was also a lot that we didn't get to see. You know, we were in there for sort of 2.5, 3 hours a day to broadcast. And this year I'm going to go back and I'm going to run 2 back-to-back 6 days. So the first week we've got 2 cadavers again, male and female. We're going to go over all the things that we missed out. There's a whole explanation and a layout of the content of the 6 days on the website, so have a little look at that. So we're going to go over all those things, deep hips and into the knees, into the joints, look some more at the deep neck and stuff like that we didn't see. And then I'm going to run a second 6 days straight after that. So we're going to finish on the Saturday, the first 6 days, straight back into the lab on the Monday. And we're going to go into the depth, the cavities, if you like. We're going to look at the viscera in more detail. We're going to eviscerate. We're going to take all that apart. We're going to look deep into the anterior spinal cord area, looking at the true core muscles. You know, looking deep into psoas, QL, where they join up with diaphragm. I'm going to explain to you really what the core is in terms of, you know, if there is such a thing as the core, what I think it would be, and why I think it's even more important than we have considered. It's just that it's not doing the things that we think it's doing. We're going to have a look at the heart, the lungs, and also down into the pelvic floor. So we're going to look at some of the pelvic floor anatomy, the deep lateral rotators of the hips, and we'll also finish off that week with the brain and the spinal cord. So loads to cover in the space of 2 weeks. We've got a great package. If you've already signed up from last year, then your access is still permanent, and it's just going to cost £150 for each of those modules, for each of those 6 days. If you buy them together, £225. So, you know, buy the one, you know, get one for an extra half price, as it were. So it would be great to have you along. I'll also be running a VIP group for a small number of people, so you can get sort of behind the scenes access and some extra footage. I spent quite a lot of time with that group last year. And we're also this year going to be doing sort of after broadcast question answer sessions. So we'll shut down the lab, and we'll do another sort of half an hour question answer session, so we don't detract from the central point of the teaching. So spread the word. You know, if you didn't join us last year, then the whole package is available. So that's the 6 days from last year, all the webinars we did, and the 12 days that we're going to be doing this year, and the whole package for new people coming along is £300. So, you know, I've really tried to keep the price down to make it accessible so that everybody could get in and see this incredible footage. I hope that for those of you that did see it, you agree it was pretty awesome. So we've got 100 hours or so of content that will be put together by the end of this 12 days. So look forward to seeing you. Get in touch if you've got any questions, anything you want to know, then it'd be great to hear from you, and hopefully you'll join us in April. Dates are on the website. Come and have a little look, and see you there.